Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fans of Gaming. Today is August Patreon Part 2, 2024. We'll be looking at D&D proxies, Warhammer proxy, a lot of tabletop STL proxies, and figure as well for your 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and let's get started. We got Penske's miniatures. For August, we got, I believe this is Xeno True King is loose. So we got that. This actually goes corresponding with one page mini as well. We got some predators, marines as well, and democracy troopers, hell riders. Oh, so we got some hell rider stuff as well. I never played the game. Wasn't really interested in it. I know a lot of people like it. A lot of people don't. But yeah, samurai skull hunter. That's actually a pretty cool looking thing. Xeno warriors. I know I'll be printing a lot of xenomorphs due to the fact that Ashley loves Alien and the Romulus is coming out sometime this month. Silicon Cyborg, and this is a cyberpunk one too if you want to pay for the add-ons. So Parasite Lord and stuff. Some of this actually you can actually use for Spelljammers for the these two. Because there's actually the old school AD&D monster. They have some of these old school monsters stuff in there as well. We got some Super Mech Harbinger MK24. I think you can probably use it for battle tech, I will say. We got some Kaiju number 8. I just finished watching it. Kaiju number 8 is actually pretty good. I really do enjoy it. But yeah. Next is Basic Pleasure. Replicant Detect. I think this is a Blade Runner. Yeah, Blade Runner it is. I'm not really a big fan of Blade Runner. That's just me. I know a lot of people say it's blasphemy and stuff, but I'm like, not really a big fan of a lot of things. I really don't know why. It just is. We got a little Kickstarter, Last Chance East of the Fae Wild. I have too many freaking of those, so it's fine. Getting August preview, so it'll be Netflix Brush of Infinite Wonder and Acolytes Primordials Part 3. We have a baby dragon wearing a clown. This one looks like a wood sprite. That probably used for your Age of Sigmar for your elves. It looks like a big brush. Oh, we got a Beholder Hydra. That will be fun to have in your game. Oh, hell yes. Let's see. One, two, oh, there's no eyes. There are mouths. Oh, there's one eyes. No, there are eyes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 16 eyes. So 16 rays in one turn. And plus 4 bites. Have fun with that. You're probably going to be really, you got to be really epic. We got, look like a hippie wizard. I think this is just one of these kids' drawings. Oh, these are probably the kids' drawing who just made him into monsters. That's actually kind of cool. Oh yeah, making the kids' dream come to life. Moon Dragon. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's kind of sweet. Soft furries. That's actually kind of cool. That's where you get the idea for. Unicorn cat. I think this is probably for one of those child's donation thing that's probably doing it. You got the lizard folk as well. I need to pray a lot more lizard folks for my thing. One for Age of Sigmar and for my game. I don't mind having a whole bunch of other stuff as well. But it looks pretty damn good. We got some riders, raptors. My wife wants to do Jurassic Park. I'm like, okay. She wants to have a whole fucking room full with Jurassic dinosaurs. I don't know. I think my favorite one was like Triceratop growing up, but that's pretty much it. And I just got out of that phase real quick. Especially when when I got introduced to Transformers and Power Ranger and stuff when I was growing up. Okay, Gomok, this is a proxy for Age of Sigmar, Old World, and 40K. They have fantasy, and then they have the sci-fi one. So this is going to be, so it looks like we're gonna have dwarves, and so we have some firing guns and stuff. I don't know why Games Workshop don't release all of the old ones for one factions at once, but you know it'll make life a hell of a lot easier. We got some orcs coming in too, orchards as well. All the links for this will be down below if you guys are interested. Go take a look. We're gonna get some chaos. Is that gonna be Nurgle chaos he's gonna make into? I think we'll get some Nurgle dreadnought chaos army. Okay, that'd be kind of cool. Oh yeah, that's gonna be the regular corn chaos. Chain sword. So we gotta get some marines as well. That's actually pretty cool because they made this one and this was really good too. Crippling God Foundry. This is for D&D, and the Fantasy is kind of like a proxy for it, I'm guessing. We have some Hydras. We got some Fire Giants. Looks like in some terrains. And it looks like I got some stuff for Nurgles. We got some throwbacks and some demons and terrains. Welcome pack. Welcome pack. So we got some Fire Giants coming up. That's pretty cool. I forgot what these guys are called. Ifrites, they're not Ifrites. You can make it with Ifrites if you want, but I do need more fire giants. I know that salamanders, flame worms, magma elemental. Oh yeah, that's why we need some hydras as well. Some busts, some terrains. These are pretty good terrains too. We got some Cassian Templars. That's probably good for the. Oh, was that the black? What's that black Templar? Is Black Templar for your 40K? We got ones like I probably can actually replace some of the Chaos Hounds and some Nurgle flying stuff too. These look more like Doom guys, but yeah. These are freaking. This would be pretty cool if you want to do it for like Spelljammer and stuff like that. Next is Peach. This is figures. I think the one they released was Hitsuri. That's from Demon Slayer. There's one that's coming out. I forgot which one's for Peach. So we go get Red Sonji, Tracer, and Cammy in Bison uniform. And there's your welcome pack for it. They usually go come out in various weeks for it, but you can see how Cammy looks so far on it. That's pretty cool. STL Project, another figures. They do a whole bunch of other stuff. You got the Crusader Knight. I think this is from Elden Ring. This was from that Paradise anime. I haven't finished watching it, but it's getting there. We got he's number one. I forgot his number. What he is? Evangelion, the mech, and Bowser. You get a whole bunch of stuff right now if you get to it, but this is July teaser. No, this is July teaser. Where's the August teaser? Supposed to get some August teasers in. That's July. Huh. I don't think we got nothing for August. They usually have stuff for a whole bunch of releases and stuff, but I guess he hasn't released it out yet. But yeah, check them out. They got like 5 figures in a month. Legion Miniatures, that are minis for Marvel and DC, if you're interested in that as well. We got Omega Red, Ultron, the Mountain Ultron. I think there's Banshee, Cable. I don't know who the hell that thing is. Forgot who that is. Mystique. I can barely see what that is. That's Wolverine's son right there. I forgot his name was. And then we got the DC one. You got Cyborg. What's that rabbit superhero name was? Green Lantern. Different variants of Flash and Superman. This looks a different variation of it. That might be Supergirl. That is Deadshot. Cat Girl as well. So yeah. Last one for this video will be Highlands Miniature. This is also a good one for Old World or Age of Sigmar. For your needs for August preview, get more of Tomb Kings, looks like it. If you want a lot of stuff for your Tomb King, this is probably pretty good to get. I forget what this model's called. I know they have the plastic one as well, but it's ridiculously expensive. It'll cost me like less than 10 bucks to, 10 bucks to buy all this, and less than 10 bucks of resin to print all of that. But yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. I hope you guys do enjoy it. All the links for this will be down below. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day. Bye.